We're back.
All right, here we are back again for another unboxing, and the keyword today is Jomo. Okay, so I don't know why I like saying that, but it just seems funny.
It was blocked by the box anyway.
I just blocked the blocked by the box so nobody can see them.
Yeah.
Jomo, see, Jomo. I don't know. I just like that name. Sounds like Momo. So we already did that already.
We already did the Momo.
Yes, and something comes to mind. We are called what again?
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Yes, because I've been known to mess that up.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I gotta hurry up and do this because we don't like making a really long video and all you guys fall asleep. So we're gonna do them real quick over here. So I'm gonna bust this one open right here. I wonder where it's from.
They don't sponsor us.
Yeah, they don't sponsor us. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that, huh? We gotta actually pay these guys, huh?
Sure, my address then.
You mean the studio?
Yeah, we're the studio.
Yeah, not the address. You mean the studio. That wasn't in there, was it?
No.
Okay. Whew. All right, so... Ooh, my truck.
Oh, 4 trucks.
Yeah.
How much of those do you have?
Well, let's see. That's one.
Hey, don't mess up the card now.
Yeah. 2. This guy's pretty good. He wrapped them individual.
You know, we don't have those bags here.
I know.
We should keep those.
Yeah, those are illegal in Hawaii now.
You can sell
3.
them at the swap meet.
Yeah. Well, these are going to have to be painted because of that. But that's okay. That's okay. Not complaining. You get 3 bags. You can pick up doodle with all those bags. All right. That's good doodle bag. And one more. All right. So, we got a total of 4 of these. Can you see that? The truck right there? Okay. There's 4 of those right there. Right there. 4 of these. And 2 of these ones. I don't think I'm going to open these 2 because I don't have that one. Those primer ones I do have, but these I do not have. So that's my custom 56 Ford truck. Yes. I'm Hapai. Maybe I shouldn't have said that.
That one, huh?
Yeah, kind of like that one right there.
That one.
You know,
We'll
that
sit down for another video.
That I don't own, but you know, obviously somebody keeps putting in my face. So okay, now we're gonna try this one. Okay, so
I think these are the Johnny Lightnings.
I forgot cut the thing open all the way. Hello, that's why we do them live over here. Wait, what the hell kind of box is this, bro?
It's probably new.
Yeah, it is. Okay, we're going to get back to this one. And we're going to open this one. That stuff was too complex for me. You know, I had to learn how to use the fry machine, so...
I'll work hard off camera.
Yeah. Okay, we get newspaper. Newspaper. Ooh. There we go, everything right here. So take all this out. Make sure nothing in the box. Okay, good. All right, here we go. Okay. These are my lightnings. Okay. Okay, please be... Oh! Oh, look at that corner. Oh. Oh. I'm in pain, people. Oh, look. There's some better ding on that corner over there.
That was nice, though.
Yeah, this is my white lightning.
Should just open it up.
Well, John, I think I might have to, bro. You know, and what's cool because these are the older ones, and it says white lightning right there. See? Yeah. And usually it says it right on the tire. But because of that ugly ding over there, I have no choice. So, but that's okay. Technically, I'm not mad. And this is what I... Okay. Just had to make sure. Whew, if that bottom wasn't white, I'd be pretty upset, man. So, I'm pretty sure the rims was white, right?
I don't remember.
Yeah. There's another bend over here. But that's okay. So, it's my Camaro. So, that's all right. I think I can deal with that. You know, just got to press them on it. The auto one I'm going to have to open, but this one, yeah, so there's my Camaro right there. You see that? See that?
Oh, white interior.
No, black interior, but white chassis. Normally, I like two things that contribute to a white Lightning, either the rims or chassis or the rims or the interior.
Maybe the bubbles.
Oh, the bubbles.
Yeah, the mic can pick that up.
All right, so that's done with that.
Okay.
Okay, now we got the other one right here that my partner over there had to open up for me because I don't know how. All right. Not my life partner, my partner in video, people. Okay, relax.
It's the 21st century.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Okay. My Felicity. My Austin Powers. Oh, is that on cam? Can we get that? White Lightning Felicity Shagwell.
They had two. I should have bought the other one now.
They had two? Yeah, you should have got the other one.
It does look better in person now.
Yeah, looks real nice.
Hey, and this is themed. We're coming up to 4th of July.
Yeah, not bad, the corner. It's okay. The corner's alright. But I like this. I'm happy my Lightnings finally came in. Will I open it? Probably not, but that bust up one I'm going to have to. Okay, so we are done with my stuff right here. We got more coming up, and like and subscribe. If you got any comments, hit us up. We will always be
Hot Wheels Collectors, Hawaii.com.
Spocky next week. Is it in the camera?
Yeah.
Is it in the camera? So just making sure. Okay.